go through it a little bit later and give it a really thorough cleaning. But for now, that's looking a lot better. So here we've got our CPU. So we've got our Z80, which is a genuine Zilog device, and an 8502, which is I think a slightly updated version of the 6502. Okay. Interesting that it's using a 6502. I think 502. Oh, so it's not the updated version of the 6510 then, isn't it? Okay. So we've got a 34012, 7812, so that's a 12 volt voltage regulator. This looks like a very easy board to recap because you've got the main caps here, a couple down there, a few over here, one over there, and that's it for the electrolytics. So completely, a lot lower count of electrolytics than on a C64. Now the burning question is, will she turn on? I have here my video cable. Okay. Let's press record on that. Okay. Let's plug her in. See if she lives. Oh, well, she's on, that's for sure. There is a few things not quite working right there. We've got a bit of screen corruption. So it looks like there might be a faulty RAM chip. And we're getting a lot of hum as well on the audio. So hopefully that doesn't mean that the SID chip is damaged. But yeah, it looks like we're going to have a repair video on our hands. It could also be something to do with this character ROM mod. So, you know, it could be that oops, there's something faulty here. Oh, well, that's a hell of a mod because it's just the chip pushed in. I thought this was a separate board, but no, it is literally paper thin. So it's just designed to add this wire to the board. So it could be a problem with this mod, which is causing it not to display properly. It looks like we can undo the mod by taking it out, but and putting the correct chip in there. But the problem is, I don't have one. Or do I? Okay, so we're still getting, it's just those few characters. So I'm guessing it has to be something to do probably with that character ROM mod. So the only way to test that would be to put in a different character ROM. So let's do that. That's by the magic of television. I have now a spare character ROM and kernel ROM. You have to watch some future videos to find out where those came from. Okay, so let's take this out of here. again. So let's pop in our character ROM and see if that makes a difference to the screen. Hopefully this additional wire won't make any difference to it. Our cable. And we're getting no signal. So obviously it doesn't like that character ROM. Let's just try putting this back in for a second. Okay. So it's booted again. We've still got a few characters, but they've changed. It's not the same as it was before. So that could indicate that the problem is with this character ROM. Now, I'm not sure what this purple wire does, or what kind of a mod that is. It's definitely not a factory mod, it's been done afterwards. So maybe that's something to do with the character ROM mod. Not entirely sure. But what I want to do now is plug the keyboard back in. And see if she types. Okay, she took her time to boot. I'm getting different artifacts now. So let's see if we can go 64. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, out of memory. Now that's interesting. Out of memory error in 0. So it looks like the problem with our C64 is the memory. Let's just give that a reset. Okay. So, yeah, I'm guessing they share the same memory, so that could be why we're getting the artifacts there. But bingo, then it is our RAM chips that are faulty. So, we need to replace the RAM chips. The only problem with that is I don't have any of these RAM chips, because these are 4264s. So, yeah. So, I will have to order them from China and then do a repair parts 2 video. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will catch you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and if you want to get notified of future videos, then ring my bell.